So I decided to do something dumb and bring in only a railroad hammer for an entire prestige. I did have a derringer and throwing knives for range. While I wouldn't call this a meta loadout, it was really fun, even though it was often very painful, as you'll see in this clip. That being said, though, the memes, I mean, they just make it all
exercises at the
worth
start of
it.
the week, and then does like the easier to do, less demanding exercises at the end. So we're gonna start off with like a full body workout, and ooh,
On the wiener.
I already got it. Oh, he's upset. Down below. Right over there. She's dead. That's a
Respect
Spitzer.
on that shot, dude. That was gangsta.
Thank you, thank you. Crown and King in Bosler. I think you can get me up.
Yeah, like I said, it's painful. But every once in a while, Hunt will give you something like
There's also regular ammo back here and a officer brawler. Special ammo. She just died.
DVD downstairs, not a veteran.
sometimes you think, I'm gonna be the hero for my team. Everything's set up for you. And you miss. Because you have a railroad hammer.
They're inside with you.
That's
Nice.
the guy who killed me.
Now, you don't really have a good way to play from long
I'm out of
range
time.
with a railroad hammer. Right?
I think it was.
That dude's gonna get up, dude.
I think it was over there.
Wait, these guys again? They're kissing each other, though. There's chokes and stuff popping off over there. Somebody just died in front. That was you?
Yeah, that was me. Unfortunately, though, even if you play well,
Just crowns.
these dinger headshots are hard to come by.
So she's got Sparks, Spitfire. So the other guy's got the crown. Or potentially it after now. me right. Valiant fucking effort.
Yeah, the Derringer 2-tap doesn't work. So sometimes you just gotta go for a long-range hammer push.
There's a whole ass team in there. To see Wolf and I think I saw Kane as well.
For the Otis.
Slate with slugs.
Hi there. Good call on the bees. Good call on the bees.
One of the stipulations that I had for this prestige is I'm allowed to pick up the weapons of enemy hunters that I kill. It plays a pretty big role in this game, and while most of the time I'm memeing, at the end, I do get a little bit sweaty.
Alex. Do you have any heals? Oh, he landed that. Nice. You got Necro. I'll take it. Because it's a normal bomb lance. You can't defuse normal bomb lance. It didn't. Because that was waxed. Oh, he's got a Dolch. Let's go. I'm betting this guy. Bye-bye. Stupid gun, right?
Yeah, sometimes guns are required. And sometimes you just need to get lucky. I was pretty happy I picked up this Winnie right here and found levering almost right away.
God damn it, I didn't finish closing the window.
Every once in a while, though, you just gotta go out and assert dominance with the Dinger. There's no more demoralizing feeling than getting Derringer headshot while you have a full rifle.
No way. No way.
I'm hoping to do a bunch more of these prestige loadouts. I've got 49 left to do, and I'm hoping to take advantage of some of the rest of these. So if you have anything you'd like to see me do, leave a comment below.
Sir, this is a Wendy's.
And thanks for watching.